Navigating English. Master the art of giving step-by-step directions. Hello language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we'll be mastering giving step-by-step instructions in English. These skills are especially important when giving directions, which can be a real lifesaver in a new city or location. Let's dive in. First things first, when giving step-by-step instructions, we use sequential words or transitional phrases. These words, like first, then, after that, and finally guide the listener through the process in the correct order. An example: first, you boil the water. Then, you add the pasta. After that, you cook for 10 minutes. Finally, you drain the water and enjoy your meal. Now, let's apply those sequential words in giving directions. First, imagine you're telling someone how to get to a nearby park. Start with their current location and the first action they need to take. For instance, first, walk to the end of this street. Then, guide them to the next step, like, then, take a right at the traffic light. After that, provide the following step. After that, continue straight until you see a big red building. And finally, finish with the last step to reach the destination. Finally, the park is just behind that building. Practice is key in mastering this. Write down simple instructions for everyday tasks using these sequential words, like making coffee or getting to your favorite restaurant from your house. Better yet, try using this in your daily conversations. For example, while discussing a recipe or explaining the rules of a game. Well, there you have it. You've now got the basic tools to start giving clear, concise, step-by-step instructions in English. It's a skill that'll come in handy in countless situations. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be a pro at giving directions. First this, then that, after that the next thing, and finally you've reached your destination. Sounds good, right? That's all for today's lesson. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.